What's up, everybody?
What's up, guys? This your boy.
This is Two Busy Brothers. This is brother number one.
And brother number two.
So today we're gonna do a little house tour to show y'all guys if you guys like it or not. But
Yeah, man. So as you can see, this is the kitchen
this
right
is the
here.
kitchen, yo.
So that's my brother gonna eat on.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So we got the refrigerator.
Yeah,
right
look, we
here.
got the refrigerator. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh my!
Look at that, guys. Look at
All
that.
space.
Space. Ooh, look at that.
Put
Ooh,
some
wee.
chicken, some meat,
Yeah, chicken.
and all the vegetarians at the time.
Yeah, all the veggies on all that.
And
Look at that. Look at that.
and we got a dang freezer.
We got a freezer, man.
Bruh, you gotta be kidding me,
Got
man.
a little ice system right there. Look at that. It says ice system.
Your ice system. And now, if we go over here, we have a goddamn what the gas stove?
Look at
What I just realized.
yeah. This is a gas stove. Look at this. Look at this.
Gas stove, and we got a Samsung microwave, bro.
Samsung Mac. Look at that. Look at that Samsung.
See, look like a movie theater.
Look at that.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Size my
buddy.
hand, the bow.
Mhm.
Yeah,
That's
big.
a fresh, yo.
Size that one.
That's right. Look at that.
Real. Now we're gonna take a walk.
Yeah. Take a walk. Look at that.
So we got the
It's the backyard.
backyard. Get the little patio right here.
Look at that.
Storm shelter.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Got flowers right here.
y'all take a look. Don't rush.
Yeah. Look at that. Smells good. You can actually smell the flowers.
And right now we're on top of the storm shelter right now.
Yeah. This is a storm shelter.
This
Yeah.
whole thing is big.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's the side of the backyard.
Yep. This is a pretty decent sized backyard.
For real. Yep.
Yeah. It ain't no biggie, but
it's alright.
it's a lot of flowers.
For real. Then we got the welcome rug
You
right
get the
here.
little welcome rug.
Step on, wash your shoes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Then we're gonna close this door. That's right. All right. So this is the living room. This is the living room right here.
Yeah, this is the living room.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Look,
It's pretty decent.
updated carpet.
Yeah, updated. Like it's updated. Look at that. It is updated.
Then when you come in from the front door, you got a jacket room.
Yeah.
Put your shoes, turn to a studio.
Yep. The coat closet.
For real. Yeah, you can walk in and look.
No, yeah, you can literally walk. Look at that. Look at the dude.
Put two people in this thing.
Uh-huh. Yeah, buddy.
Shut that thing.
So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. It looks pretty small, but if you go in that kitchen, like
Yeah, so this.
yeah, it's this is the kitchen right there. Look at that.
Look at it.
Look at that.
It's got its own private space.
Yeah, own private space.
Oh yeah, we forgot to show that thing.
Oh yeah, we got washer and dryer hookup, yo.
Washing dryers. And of course, can't forget about the cars.
Oh yeah, we got the garage. You can put your Mustang,
Put
Lamborghinis,
your tools right there.
Yup.
Got cabinets.
cabinets, all that stuff.
For real. Dang, got some paint under there.
Got paint over there. Look at, ooh, you got a thousand of them things in there. You got the little attic.
Yeah, little attic, pretty dark up there. Huh?
Yeah, anybody up there?
Hello?
Hmm?
Hello?
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so
All right.
big way up.
So that's the garage right there. Okay.
We gonna head into the bedrooms.
All right, go to the bedrooms.
So bedroom number one.
Yeah, bedroom number one.
Bow. I'll show you.
Look at this. So this is the bedroom right here. It's pretty small, but
Yeah, you know, it's decent size. You get this full 360 over here.
360 right here.
Yeah, nice size
360.
window. Can't lie about that.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
For real, yeah.
Good size window.
For
But
real. Yeah, you can't do it. Then we got this right here.
yep, we got the little
Look,
call
little
that
makeup pantry.
Yeah, makeup. I call your makeup. All that. You put a dog up there.
Yeah, for your ladies. You
Yeah,
know, see?
now we're gonna take it to the master bedroom.
Yeah, master bedroom.
Yeah. So this is the master bedroom, guys.
It's a tad bit small.
Yeah,
Bigger.
it's probably about 5% bigger than the other one.
Yeah, so you got the bright windows.
Got
You
bright
see the
window.
backyard from here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let's take it. It's pretty hot outside.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a little what you call that thing?
Still a fan?
Yeah, ceiling fan. Yeah.
You can touch it from
Yeah,
here.
you can touch it.
Yeah, so if it gets smart, you know what to do.
Yeah, that's right. You just tap it.
Yeah, right there, I think that's oh, another closet.
Yep, another closet.
For real.
But you get 2 free hangers and all that.
Yep, if you're tall enough, just grab it right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. If you at least close to 6 feet tall, it's yours. You can take it.
Uh-huh.
Now we're gonna take you to bedroom number 3.
Yeah, is it this one here?
So this is bedroom number 3.
Yeah, might be the smallest room, guys.
Yeah, it's just pretty. I mean, you can see the backyard.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? See a couple things
Yeah, a
out
couple
here.
things, a couple of branches and grass.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and this is
Yeah.
the second window.
Yeah, got 2 small windows.
Yeah, more flowers.
Oh yeah, this kind of pretty.
Yeah, that's something bright.
Yeah. a closet. I forgot how it looked like.
Looks like a walk-in closet. Is it a walk-in closet?
Let's say.
Ooh. It's just a slight.
It's a slide door walk-in closet.
Yeah, look at them stripes on the ground. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that is.
That's clean, man.
clean.
That's right. Look, there's no frame hangers over there.
Yeah, nothing. That thing is high.
It's high, man. So you gotta be tall to have this room.
Yeah, this is insanely crazy.
Same. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, let's not forget the doo-doo room.
The doodle room. Yeah.
Leaky room. So we got the light switch. There's like 4 different light switches.
We got 4 switches in there.
So we're gonna start with this one. Oh, there we go.
Here we go. Here we go. So this is the bath. This is the bathroom. It's pretty good. It's pretty decent.
Yeah, you got a little window right here, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta lock that.
That's right. And we got this. Oh, that's glass.
Oh shoot, that's
Glass.
glass.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool.
And this one like a man cave.
Yeah, you can put your medicine,
Yeah,
band-aids.
it's like cologne, perfume.
Yeah, all that nonsense up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we got a toilet. Let's kind of test it out.
Let's test it out. Let's test it out.
Yeah. 3,
2, 1. Weak.
Say weak.
So yeah, that's a weak toilet. So if you have problems with that, yeah, you gotta find a whole another house.
Yep, you might lose. Yep,
Yep. But this is the living room. It's actually a pretty big window right there.
Oh yeah, they're huge.
So yeah, this house is like, I think it's like almost $1,600 a month, right?
Yeah, 16.
Yeah.
Or 1,500.
Yeah, about $1,500 to $1,600. So yeah, just let us know in the comments if it's worth it or not. But I think that's about it, guys. But we're not gonna buy this house. We're just gonna keep on finding more houses what we like. But the bedrooms, it's not that big enough. So
Yeah, we was excited at first, but then
Yeah.
we looked at the bedrooms.
yeah, but the bedrooms ain't that big. So I need a big bedroom.
So if y'all want a part 2
if y'all want part 2 video,
of a house or apartment tour, let us know and help us decide on
help
which
us
one.
decide.
For real.
So this YouTube channel, we're gonna be changing the YouTube name back to Two Busy Brothers.
Yes, sir.
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do vlogs, house tours, giveaways,
We just gonna eat. We're gonna prank people.
prank people.
You guys, yeah.
Yeah.
You.
All right, guys. But I think that's gonna be it today. But
For real.
yeah, like the video, subscribe,
Yeah.
comment.
For real. Welcome to the new channels. You will see more videos from me and the Two Busy Brothers.
Two Busy Brothers. That's right.
And y'all stay tuned for some more content.
All right. Peace out, everybody.
Peace.